Do you want to achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms? Imagine having the power to choose how you spend your time, without worrying about money. In today's video, I'll reveal the 5 best investments that will put you on the path to financial independence. After years of helping people organize their finances, I know exactly what works. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to start investing today for a more secure tomorrow. Many of us dream of financial freedom, but achieving it can seem impossible. You may feel like you're working long hours, but your bank account never reflects that effort. Perhaps you think that reaching financial freedom requires taking huge risks or making extreme lifestyle changes. But the reality is, it doesn't have to be that way. The truth is, you can achieve financial freedom with the right strategy, smart investments, and a long-term plan. It's not about luck, but about understanding where to put your money. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, the 5 investments I'm going to share with you today are practical, achievable, and will help you create the wealth you've always wanted. By making the right moves now, you'll build a strong foundation that can support your dreams of financial independence. You don't have to make drastic sacrifices or take unnecessary risks. You just need to know where to invest and how to do it smartly. Today, we're going to explore the 5 best investments to help you reach financial freedom. These are strategies that require little effort, but have a huge impact on your ability to build wealth. You don't have to take huge risks or make dramatic changes to your lifestyle. Instead, with a bit of knowledge and the right plan, you can start seeing real results. Whether you're new to investing or have been at it for a while, these options will help you secure your financial future. Let's get started with the first investment, the stock market. The stock market is often seen as one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. It offers the potential for high returns, especially if you invest with a long-term perspective. With the right strategy, you can harness the power of compound growth. But how do you get started? Investing in stocks doesn't require you to be a financial expert. All it takes is the willingness to start and the discipline to stay the course. By picking the right stocks or funds and being patient, your investments can grow steadily. Let's dive into how you can begin your journey. Real estate has been one of the most powerful wealth-building tools for centuries. Whether you buy property to rent out or invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, it's an excellent way to generate passive income and build long-term equity. The beauty of real estate lies in its ability to generate steady cash flow through rental income, while also appreciating over time. Even with limited capital, you can begin by investing in smaller properties or through REITs, which provide exposure to real estate without owning physical property. It's all about finding the right property or investment strategy for your goals. Bonds are often considered a safe and reliable investment for those seeking stability. While they don't offer the high returns that stocks or real estate can, they provide a steady stream of income through interest payments. Bonds can be government-issued or corporate, and they typically carry lower risk compared to equities. The beauty of bonds lies in their predictability and safety. If you're looking for a low-risk investment to balance out your portfolio, bonds are an excellent choice. By investing in bonds, you can create a steady cash flow while protecting your wealth from market volatility. Index funds are an excellent option for those who want to invest in the stock market. Without the hassle of selecting individual stocks, these funds track entire indexes, like the S&P 500, giving you exposure to a wide range of companies. The beauty of index funds is their low fees and simplicity, perfect for both beginners and seasoned investors looking for diversification. With minimal effort, you can invest in the overall market and still expect steady, long-term growth. By investing in index funds, you're able to harness the power of diversification without paying high management fees. It's a hands-off strategy that can pay off over time. Dividend stocks provide an excellent way to earn passive income while still benefiting from long-term capital appreciation. These are shares in companies that regularly pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Investing in dividend stocks means you can receive a steady stream of income, typically on a quarterly basis, all while maintaining the potential for stock price growth. The key is choosing high-quality, reliable companies with a track record of consistent dividend payments. By reinvesting those dividends or using them as income, you can accelerate your wealth-building journey. This is one of the best ways to combine passive income with growth. Now that we've covered the 5 best investments to achieve financial freedom, let's talk about a bonus option that's gaining more attention. While the stock market Real estate, bonds, index funds, and dividend stocks are time-tested and stable investments. Cryptocurrency presents a newer and more volatile alternative. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have created enormous wealth for some, but they come with significant risks. The market is highly volatile, and regulations are still evolving. If you decide to invest in crypto, limit it to a small portion of your portfolio and do your research to mitigate the risks. While crypto can be an exciting addition to your investment strategy, it's important to approach it cautiously. Keep it as a smaller part of your overall plan and let the other 5 investments lay the foundation for your financial future. Investing isn't just about making money, it's about building the freedom to live life on your terms. When you invest wisely, you're not just growing your wealth, you're creating a future where financial stress doesn't dictate your decisions. The 5 investments we've covered today: stocks, real estate, bonds, index funds, and dividend stocks are all powerful ways to achieve financial independence. But remember, the key to success is consistency. You don't have to take huge risks or make drastic changes. Small, smart choices every day can lead to big results over time. Take action today, even if it's starting small. Every dollar invested brings you closer to your goal of financial freedom. And with patience and discipline, you can get there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these investment tips. Let me know in the comments, which of the 5 investments are you most excited to start with? Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video where we dive deeper into the world of finance, investing, and creating wealth. We're building a community of smart investors working toward financial freedom, and I'd love for you to be part of that journey. Let's take this step together. Remember, achieving financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that takes time, effort, and the right strategy. But every step you take today brings you closer to a life where money is no longer a limitation. Each decision, no matter how small, builds a future of security and opportunity. So, start today, whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or something else. Keep going, stay disciplined, and trust that with the right investments, financial freedom is within your reach. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you make the most of your financial future.